Hey everybody, it's Christopher Small, the owner of CMS Law Firm. We do estate planning, we do probate, we do it well. Today, I want to talk to you about life insurance and estate taxes. Before I do that, though, I want to remind you, if you have questions about this or anything else related to estate planning or probate, and you want to talk with us over the phone for free, you can do so by going to cmslawfirm.com. Okay, life insurance proceeds, life insurance payouts, and estate taxes. Had a conversation with a potential client today that reminded me of a little sort of it's not a glitch in the system, like it's a little rule that makes things kind of interesting sometimes, particularly if you don't plan well. These particular clients are going to be clients, they decided they would like us to help them, which is great, have a lot of life insurance. So they have like let's say $5 million of life insurance, okay? Just making this up. But they have a significant amount of life insurance. Enough life insurance coupled with their other assets that they are potentially facing some Washington state estate taxes when they pass away, okay? Not federal, but Washington state estate taxes. And as we were talking, I told them that they were facing this potential tax consequence because if you add in this life insurance, then it substantially puts them over the Washington state estate tax limit, which, by the way, is $2.193 million. And they were like, oh, it's all good because life insurance doesn't count when you are calculating estate taxes. And I said, oh, ho, ho, not so fast. I actually didn't say that, but it would have been cool if I did. I said, well, not exactly. There's sort of two things going on at the same time when it comes to life insurance. First of all, the life insurance proceeds, the payout, the death benefit that you get from the life insurance, it does count when you are calculating the assets that are in an estate. So if you have a house worth $500,000 in an estate and you have a life insurance policy that pays out $1 million, your total estate is $1.5 million. Okay? Hopefully that makes sense. Now, where things get kind of interesting is that there is a law in Washington state in particular. I don't know if this law is in effect in any other state. So if you're in another state watching this video, make sure that you know what your own state's rules are. The rule in Washington state basically says life insurance proceeds cannot be clawed back from someone to pay estate taxes. Same with retirement accounts. Okay, so if you have a life insurance policy and it's sent out to Jane, right? Jane Smith, your sister, and then there is some estate tax owed. What the rule essentially says is you can't go after that life insurance money to pay those estate taxes. You have to go get the tax payment from some other source. For example, to use the same example, if there was some taxes owed, you'd have to sell the house before you clawed back the life insurance proceeds. Same with retirement accounts. I'm not sure exactly what the basis of the rule is, but I think they just want to make sure that those funds are preserved in some way, okay? I don't make the rules. I just tell you about them and help you work around them, essentially. So they were they were surprised by that. And that's why if you set an appointment with me, I always ask you, what is your total net worth if you include your life insurance death benefits? The reason is those count, because when you die, those pay into your estate or they pay out to somebody, so they're counted as part of your net worth. Okay, now, if you do have big life insurance policy and you want a unique and easy way to sort of move those out of your estate, and also have them be used for your people if you die, then reach out and let me know, because I have a little sneaky little tidbit on to do that. I'll give you a hint. ILIT. Okay, just Google that and that's the answer. But I've talked about it before. I'll talk about it again in the future. So life insurance proceeds, they count as part of your net worth for your estate for estate tax purposes. But usually those proceeds cannot be clawed back or cannot be attached to pay the actual estate tax liability. All right, that's it. So that's how life insurance and estate taxes kind of work together. Hopefully you enjoyed this. If you did, please hit the like button. If you have a question or comment, leave it. I will answer it. And if you know someone needs to hear this, please share it with them. And if you have questions about this or anything else related to estate planning or probate and you want to talk with us over the phone for free, you can go to cmslawfirm.com. Thank you, Tammy. Appreciate the compliment. Trying hard. Okay, so that's it for today. As always, I am Christopher Small. I am the owner of CMS Law Firm. We do estate planning. We do probate. We do it well. Thank you for your time. Thank you for your attention. I appreciate you, and I will talk to you again soon. See ya.